They say homemade bread is the best. And it's true. This simple, easy recipe will leave you coming back for more. So what you need is some regular flour or bread flour. Go ahead and take out your mixer, or you can do it by hand. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 325 mils of warm water. Has to be warm. Go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of yeast, and then let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now while that's happening, go grab your flour and your scale. You want to do 500 grams of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now grab your butter, and you want to do 3 tablespoons of butter. Now I wouldn't recommend eyeballing this. Baking, you got to follow the rules. Now this is your yeast all creamed up, ready for your flour. Now add half of your flour, just so it's a little bit easier to mix. Go ahead and add your 3 tablespoons of butter, and add the rest of the flour. It should look like this when it's all done, not sticky, easy to kind of pull apart. Put it in a bowl, let it rest until it doubles in size. Just like that. Now we're going to form it into a log and put it into a baking pan. We're not going to make this complicated. Now when it's in the baking pan, let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then go ahead, get your oven ready, set it at 400 degrees, and once you put it in, you're going to drop it down to 375. Bake for 25 minutes or until golden brown. And you want to make sure once it's all done, let it sit and rest before you start to cut it. I know it's tempting. Anyhow, enjoy. And if you want to do me a big favor to grow this channel, hit the subscribe button, follow, like, and comment. I'll see you next time.